In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix 100% CPU usage in Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your CPU is at a constant or near 100% usage when playing Fortnite or other games, this could be to various reasons. First, if you have a low-end CPU, it's probably overworked and it's not able to keep up. However, if you have a high-end CPU which should be able to handle it no problem, it could actually be something else tied to your GPU. For example, your GPU is not being utilized properly, so your CPU has to do all of the work. Regardless of the reason, I'm going to show you various different steps that you can take to solve these problems. First, I recommend that you go over to the power options in Windows, so look for power options or edit plan settings, and in here, choose change advanced power settings. Regardless of the plan that you have, you should click on change advanced options, and then you will find processor power management. Make sure that you enable idle. This will allow the CPU to idle if it is not being worked at the moment, and you should pay attention to the minimum and maximum processor state. So the maximum should be set to 99 or even 100, which means that it is the peak that it can reach when it is being really pressured, but the minimum should be as close to 0 as possible. So this is when the CPU is not being used. It is able to cool down and not stay at 100% usage. Something else that you can try is to limit the maximum to something like 80. So if you don't want your CPU to be overused, you can limit this to 80. Of course, this can introduce problems in the way of the game not performing the best because it is not going to be able to get the full power from the CPU, but it can help with stability. So choose whichever option you deem best. Something else to look into are the graphics settings in Windows. So look for System Display and then Graphics Settings, and in here, you can look for Fortnite. If you don't see it, look for an Easy Anti-Cheat. For me, for whatever reason, it doesn't appear on this list. So I'm not going to add it now, but if needed, choose the option to add a desktop application and find the Fortnite executable. Once you find Fortnite, I'm going to use Borderlands 2 as an example. Make sure that it is set to high performance, so your GPU should be selected. If it is set to power saving or you have integrated graphics and they are being used, make sure to switch to your dedicated graphics card. The last thing that I would recommend is to update the drivers on your graphics card. Like I said before, if you believe your CPU should be capable of handling the game, but for whatever reason it is being overworked, then it could be related to your GPU missing important drivers. So by updating the drivers on your GPU, either from the NVIDIA or AMD website, it means that it will be used properly when you play games, and your CPU will be able to cool down because most of the workload will be put on the GPU. And the last thing to pay attention to are settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix 100% CPU usage in Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.